So today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect potato wedges with a twist of Desi fusion. So today's recipe has basically 3 recipes into it. So first we're going to make perfect potato wedges which are going to be crispy from the outside and soft and fluffy from the inside. And into it we're going to give a spicy desi chatpata makeover using spicy kolhapuri garlic peanut chutney, and which is going to be dry chutney, so it won't make our veggies soggy at all. Something similar to a peri peri seasoning or Italian seasoning, Mexican seasoning that we usually put on top of our french fries or potato wedges. And to balance it all out, we are going to make a Middle Eastern sauce dip, tzatziki dip. Very simple, very easy and very amazing. So you can either make all these 3 recipes separately or club them together and make an amazing fusion recipe out of it. Now let's get started. But if you're coming to my channel for the very first time, then do consider subscribing, and if you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button. Now let's get started. So here I have taken 4 large potatoes and we'll begin with chopping the potatoes into wedges. You may take any variety of potatoes, but kufri and chipsonas are the ones that work the best because they have low starch content. Taking out the skin is optional, so I prefer keeping the skin on because that adds to the crispiness. And now we'll soak the wedges in cold water for 30 to 40 minutes. This will take out the excess starch and it will help in making the wedges more crispier. 30 minutes are over. Now we'll take out the potatoes and discard the water. Now it's time to boil them. For that, here I have kept water for boiling. Into it I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and the wedges. You don't have to boil the wedges thoroughly, just make sure that they are boiled till 50%. This will take around 5 to 6 minutes over medium-high flame. Once they are cooked till 50%, take them out and let them cool completely. Now to take away the excess moisture, we are going to add half a cup of all-purpose flour and mix it thoroughly. It's very important to cook the potatoes only till 50% because if you cook it more, then at this stage while mixing it, you might end up breaking the potatoes. So just be careful. Now take away the excess flour and now we'll make a slurry. For that we need corn flour half a cup, rice flour 1/4 cup, all-purpose flour 1 tablespoon, chopped coriander 1 tablespoon, pepper powder half teaspoon and salt to taste. Now add required water and make a very thin batter or slurry, whatever you may call it. Now it should be very thin because we just want a thin coating over our wedges. Dip the potato wedges one by one. Drain out the excess slurry and put them in hot oil for frying. So while frying, we have to make sure that the oil is very hot because if the oil is not hot, then the potato wedges will end up soaking and become very oily. So while dropping the wedges, make sure the temperature of the oil is really hot. And once you have put all your wedges into the oil, then lower the temperature and let them cook over low flame for 7 to 8 minutes. After 7 to 8 minutes, once the potato wedges turn golden and crispy from the outside, take them out. Now you may enjoy these crispy hot potato wedges right away with some ketchup or mayo by the side. But if you want to take your wedges to the next level with the tadka of Desi fusion, then continue watching. So let's make the peanut garlic fusion seasoning. For that, in a mixer jar, take dry red chilies 5 to 6, garlic cloves 6 to 7, tamarind ball the size of a small gooseberry, roasted cumin half teaspoon, roasted peanuts 1 cup, chili powder 1 teaspoon and salt to taste. Now grind all these together without adding water and you will get a nice powdery consistency. Now this goes amazing with puri, chapati and paratha as well, so you can keep the excess and enjoy them with your breakfast or dinner. Now we'll make the tzatziki dip. For that we need a medium-sized cucumber. Now peel the skin off. Now grate the cucumber and take out the excess water by squeezing it between your palms. Now this is a delicious Middle Eastern dip that goes really well with the spicy potato wedges. Now into the grated cucumber, we will be adding hung curd half a cup, chopped mint leaves 1 tablespoon, finely chopped garlic 1 pod, lemon juice 1 tablespoon, olive oil 1 teaspoon and salt to taste. Now mix everything together. Now refrigerate this dip for at least 2 to 3 hours, or you may also make it a day before and leave it overnight in your refrigerator. Now this also helps in enhancing the flavor. So all the ingredients are ready. Now it's time to assemble them. So take the peanut garlic fusion seasoning and sprinkle it over the crispy potato wedges. Give it a toss. Plate it up and enjoy with tzatziki dip. So here was an amazing fusion recipe using potato wedges. I hope you like this video. If you do, then please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button. You may also share this recipe with your friends and family, and in case you haven't subscribed to The Fusion Theory yet, then do consider subscribing, because here you get all the amazing fusion and traditional recipes both combined together. So see you soon with another amazing fusion recipe. This is me, Tanushree, signing off and wishing a very happy cooking to you.